Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Sudhan. I'm Sudhan and behind the camera is Isha. Hi Isha.
Hey!
Hi. So today we are back making our 10th video and thank you for your support.
Oh my god!
Yes, it's amazing, right? So we would like to make some more videos, so please do subscribe to support us and yeah, spread the goodness of making home videos.
Yay!
Yeah. So today we are making gazpacho, and if you can really taste summer, this chilled tomato and fellow vegetable friends soup is it. It is easy and healthy, and it gets better. It's also totally vegan and gluten-free. And we're gonna show you how to make it, right Isha?
Yes.
Isha likes it very much, and so do I. And we made it for lunch sometime. So yeah, what do we need? We need some, I think it's easier if I go down a little bit, right?
Low
the table's
table.
a bit low.
Yeah.
So, we need olive oil, white wine vinegar, we need some oregano, black pepper, some salt, 2 tomatoes, 1 red paprika, 1 already semi-peeled cucumber, 1 stalk of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, and just over half a cup of raw cashew nuts, and some fresh herbs. So I've got here parsley from the garden, about quarter cup of
Yeah, something
herbs.
like that.
Yep, and 2 sprigs of thyme, and that's what we need. So let's make, I'll stand up a little bit so we can make it. So to make it, I'm gonna start chopping the cucumber, just nibbing off the ends of it, and then I'll cut it in half. You don't have to be really precise with chopping it because it's going to be blended anyway, so I'm just going to make it into loose chunks, and cucumber is pretty watery as well, so it will blend nicely. Throw that in to the blender. And then next I'm going to take the insides of the paprika. Oh, and you can also use this the stalk. I just peel the sides around it and just tear it in just like that. Very easy. I just rip it apart. Very much like Man vs. Wild. Except it's the vegetable edition.
Man versus what?
Yeah, you don't know that show? Do you know the show?
No?
It's with Bear Grylls. It's a British
Oh.
TV show.
I like that.
Yeah.
We're surviving in our own kitchen.
Yeah. And the tomatoes. How do you like to chop your tomatoes?
Well, I would use a different knife.
Oh yeah, true.
Don't you have the other
That's a
knife?
good tip, actually.
Yeah.
I'm using a serrated knife, which is best for tomatoes.
Yeah.
And I remove this, what do you call the stem part?
The stem, yeah.
Yeah. Let me throw this in. So, we need a quarter cup of olive oil. I'm measuring it so it's easy for you to follow. And next is we need a quarter cup of white vinegar. And we need the 2 cloves of garlic. I don't even chop anymore, I just throw the whole thing because then let the blender do the rest of the job.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. And I'm going to put in some
Salt.
yeah, some salt, some pepper, and some oregano. Alright, so I'm going to blitz this first. And now I can also add in the cashew nuts. And I'll also add in the herbs. I'm adding thyme first. And the parsley.
Parsley, yeah.
Yeah. So I've chopped up the celery, 1 stalk of celery, and I'm going to put that in. So I've stopped the blender and I'm going to taste it because I think it's almost ready. And I'm going to taste if there's enough salt and pepper. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. It tastes very nice. And I think it's done. So we're ready to serve, and I'm going to serve it in a bowl here. There you go. And if you really want, you can also serve it in a glass, in a sort of whiskey sort of glass. Is that correct?
Yeah, or a shot glass, or
yeah, a shot glass. You can serve it as a starter, as an aperitif. That's also fine. And yeah, but this is for lunch, so we're serving it in a big bowl. So I'm gonna dig in.
Leave some for me.
Oh, I will, don't worry.
Yeah, that's enough, right? I'll take that thing.
Yeah. So it's good. This is Gazpacho. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.
Of course, and also subscribe, don't forget, eh?
Oh yes, please subscribe. I always forget that.
Yeah.
Thanks, Isha, for reminding me.
But it's actually very nice. There are actually people like you, where's the camera?
Yeah.
Who are subscribing.
Yeah.
47 now already. Awesome!
Great.
Yay!
Please subscribe.
Yeah, and next video, maybe we're going to America.
Yes, we might be in somewhere in America. We'll tell you.
Yeah, and maybe we make a video over there in New York.
Hopefully.
Yeah, and if not, then we go later again, right?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Okay.
Ciao bella!
Bye.